Okay guys, today we will have revision on chapter 9. Our objective is to solve questions about and exercises about solids, surface areas and volumes. Okay, you will find this worksheet in Classera. You can download it later, but now I want you to try with me. In each question I will choose one of you to answer the question. If you get the answer, you can tell me in the chat if you know the answer, and I will allow you to use your mic. Okay, okay. Mujtaba, use your mic. The name of the solid and the base.
Square pyramid.
Great. And the
base is square.
Great. So the base is square and the solid is square pyramid. Thank you, Mujtaba. Abdullah Dahailan.
Hi, Mr.
Hi, Abdullah.
The solid is cone
Great.
and the base is circle.
Great. Okay. If you get the answer, let me know in the chat. Ibrahim Anwar, do you have the answer? Ibrahim Anwar?
No.
Ibrahim, in this pyramid, in this solid, okay, we need a pair of intersecting lines and a pair of parallel lines and a pair of skew lines. Okay, can you give me any two parallel lines here? Ibrahim?
A and D.
AD, this line, and which line also is parallel to AD?
FA.
FE, no. AD?
C.
FC, right, correct. So AD and FC are parallel. Also AD and PE, these two are parallel also. Great. We can have more than one answer for this. We have many parallel lines. Can you give me two intersecting lines here in this solid? Ibrahim?
To what?
Two intersecting lines. I'll give you example. AC and AD intersecting lines, they intersect at the point A. Give me another example.
FAD.
FD and
FD and A.
AD. Any line segments, you use two symbols, okay? You use two letters. And skew lines, if we take AD, you can take, for example, FE to be skew line with AD. Okay, so guys, we may have more than one answer for this question. This is sample answer. AB parallel to DE, AB and DE, these two are parallel. AC intersect CF at the point C, and AC skew with FE. AC and FE, they are skew lines. Skew lines, it means that they are not parallel and not intersecting also, and they can't be in the same plane. Okay, number 4, Muammal.
Yes, Mr.
Do you have parallel lines here? Number 4.
Yes.
Okay, for example,
DC and AD.
DC and AD. We said parallel.
BCAD.
Parallel. How you repeat the letter D and they are parallel?
B.
Ah, sorry. DC and AB. Great. And intersecting.
Intersecting. Where's Mr. AE and DE.
Great. AE and DE. These two are intersecting. Here we can see that there is a letter repeated. So the intersection point is E. And skew lines.
AE,
Great.
BC.
AE and BC. Great work. Thank you, Muhammad. Okay, for example, guys, we have this answer. BC parallel to AD. BC and AD, these two are parallel lines. And AB intersect BC at the point B. And AD skew with EC. AD and EC, they are not in the same plane. They are not intersecting and of course not parallel. Okay. Now if you want to participate, let me know in the chat. Anyone is ready to participate to find the volume? I want someone new. No one? Saad Al-Yami, are you here? Can you use your mic? Okay, Saud Al-Naim, use your mic.
Yes, so Mr. we see now the radius.
Yes, the radius is 12 and the height is
And the
18.
height is 18.
Okay, great.
So what we will make
Yes, the rule?
is by
Volume.
R2, yes, and R2
Base multiplied height, right? And the
height.
base area is pi r square.
R square.
Good.
Mr. What do R stand for?
R is the radius.
Oh, yes.
So we
So,
have pi
the-
multiplied by the radius square, which is
18.
the radius is 12.
The radius is 12.
So 12
The height-
square and multiplied by the height, which is 18. And use your calculator.
It will be 8,143.
8,143 cubic inches approximately, of course. Okay, guys. In number 6. Okay, Saad. Thank you, Saud. Faisal.
Yes.
Great. This pyramid, the volume,
Mhm.
the rule
Okay.
first.
The rule is volume equals third pi r square, which is also bh
sorry.
over 3.
This is pyramid. There is no pi. Pi is for cylinder, for circles.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. I'm sorry. So yeah, it's gonna be
Third base area multiplied
third
by.
base- yeah
Height.
multiplied by height.
Great. Now we have the base area. This is square. So It's S square.
Mhm.
Great, because this is square pyramid. Okay, now the numbers. Third multiplied by 9 square
squared
multiplied
by
by
11.
11. Okay, calculate this.
I'm sorry, I don't have a calculator by my hand.
Okay, guys, anyone have the answer? Thank you, Faisal.
Mhm.
Okay, Mushtaba, give the answer.
Sir, can I say the answer?
Okay. Who's this?
It is almost Muhammad Abdul-Baqi.
Okay, Muhammad Abdul Baqi. Mujtaba said the answer in the chat, 297 cubic centimeter, and you can help me to solve question 7. Okay. Okay, the volume, which base area multiplied height or third base area multiplied height?
Base area multiply height.
No. Base area multiplied height is for cylinder and prism. And third
Oh, Mr.
is
I
for
thought
pyramid and cone. Okay, so this is cone, so it's third base area multiplied height. Okay, the area of the base is
okay.
pi r square because it's a
Is-
circle. So that's all just for the rule. Okay, now start using the numbers. Muhammad?
201 is the base.
Hmm? The
Multiply 15.
okay, Muhammad,
up,
wait.
equals
What's the radius?
almost 8.
Great. And what's the height?
It is 15.
Good. So the radius 8 and the height 15. Guys, this 17. This is not height here. This is not the height of cone. Okay. The height of cone here is 15. Good. Do you have the answer, Muhammad?
Yes, it is almost 1005.
1005 cubic meter. Excellent. Good work. Thank you. Okay. Anyone can use his calculator? Sorry, his mic. And
Yes.
if you didn't answer, let me know. Anyone who didn't answer? Ali Yusuf? Ali? Okay, Ali, you can't use your mic. Okay, guys, I recommend you to try to get a mic. This is important for you. You should participate in the session. Abdul Hadi, do you have a mic?
Mr. Can I?
Who's this?
Murtada.
Okay, Murtada. This prism, this rectangular prism. The volume.
Okay, so first of all we should multiply 14.
Okay.
Multiply
I want the rule.
10.5.
The rule first. The first step is to write the correct rule.
Okay, height multiply length by width.
Great. So length by width by height. Great. And of course you said that 14 is the length
For,
multiplied by.
and the width, which is 10.5.
Great. And
Multiply the height, which is 8.
great.
Equal 1,176 cubic meter. Cubic feet.
Great work. 1176 cubic feet. Okay, guys. Thank you, Murtada. If you want to write anything from here, write, because I will go to the next question. Okay, guys. This time I want you to try to find the answer and be quick. And those who didn't participate, I recommend you to try find the answer, to tell me the answer, and don't write answers now. Okay, you have 2 minutes to finish these 4 questions. 2 minutes, guys. Be quick. Right, just think of the rule and find. Don't write steps now. Find the volume to the nearest cubic unit. You have 2 minutes. During these 2 minutes, I will check if I have some of you. Bender, do you have a mic? If you have a mic, respond to me.
Yes, mister.
Bender? Is this
No, Ahmed Al-Nas.
okay? Ahmed, now I know that you have a mic. Bender, you can't hear me? No, you don't have a mic. Okay. That's bad for you, Bender. Be ready to write the answer if I ask you to write. Ahmed Wael, do you have a mic? Abbas? Okay, Ahmed. Abbas? Do you have a mic? Guys, please be ready with a mic from the next session. You need to share with me your ideas so I know that you can understand or not. Ibrahim Al-Mubarak, do you have a mic? Okay, Ahmed, bring it. Okay, Ibrahim. Saudi Jafari, do you have a mic?
Yes.
Great. So now I have the first question with Ahmed Al-Gannas. 9. The rule, of course, Ahmed Gannas, use your mic.
Yes.
Good. The rule, third base area multiplied height. Okay, so the base area here is it's a circle, so it's pi r square. What's the radius?
25.
No, that's the diameter.
Not 20.
Half of 25.
Oh.
So
12.5.
good. And the height?
21.
21. Now calculate this and tell me the answer.
Okay. The answer is 2,454.
Sorry, I think you should check this again. Guys, check the answer again and tell me if my answer is correct or not.
See, it came on 2,434.
And you used pi as 3.14, correct?
Yes.
Okay, you can use pi from the calculator itself. The symbol from the calculator, use shift and you will find pi down written in yellow. Okay.
Perfect.
Okay. Good. Thank you, Muammal. Thank you, Abdullah. Muammal, please don't write answers like this again. Okay. Ahmed Wael, you are ready now? Ahmed Wael? Ahmed Wael? Oh, Ahmed Wali.
He left Mr.
Okay.
the conversation.
Who else, guys? I told Ibrahim no. Saad Al Yami. Okay, Saad Al Yami. If you don't have a mic, you can write the answer. And to give you time. Okay, this is Ahmed again. Okay, guys, who is ready to accept them, Muhammad?
Me?
This is Saad Al Husseini, right?
Yes.
Okay, Saad. Number 10.
Length by width by height.
Great. And it will be 8 multiplied 7 multiplied 4. And the answer is
224.
great. Okay, number 11. Okay, Saad Al Yami, write the answer of number 11. If you don't have a mic. Write anything. Write anything. Okay, and number 12. Who will solve number 12? Okay, we'll see. Saad, he. Ahmed Wael, you're back. Okay. Okay. Saad, he said that the answer is 351. Let's see. We have the rule pi r square h, base area multiplied height, of course. And r is 4 and the height is 7. So it's approximately 352 cubic inch. Okay, guys, I recommend you to use pi. The letter in the symbol exists in the calculator, so you can use it. Okay. Ahmed, you can solve question 12.
Yes, Mister.
Okay. The rule.
A third multiply 6.7 squared multiply 6.7.
Great. So third s square multiplied h, so it's 6.7 squared 6.7 also, and the answer is approximately 100 cubic centimeter. Okay, guys, let's move to the next question. Abbas, what's the rule of the surface area? Abbas, do you know the rule of the surface area of the sphere? No? Okay, Mushtaba, if your answer is 100.5, okay, it may be also correct. I can't remember which pi I used, but I think I used the very near approximated number ratio. Abbas, do you have the mic?
Yes, Mister.
Okay, Abbas, the rule is 4 pi r square and r is 5.
Do you want the volume?
He wants the surface area and the volume also. Okay, Mujtaba and Ahmed, you are talking about the previous question. I think it's approximately 100. If you have another answer, it may be also correct. If it's near to 100, it's also okay. Okay, but in this case, he wants the answer to the nearest unit, to the nearest whole number. So if it's 100.5 on your calculator, you will write 101, okay? And my answer was 100.
The answer is 314, yes, sir.
Great, thank you. And the volume, the rule is 4/3 pi r cube, and we have r 5. Anyone? It's easy, guys. Just use calculator and you will find the answer.
Can I answer, Mister?
Okay, who's this, Muhammad?
No, Abdullah.
Abdullah. Okay, Abdullah, can you help me in this question? We have here two similar solids, A and B, and the scale factor from A to B is, you can take any corresponding dimension, the diameter here or the height. So A is 3 and the corresponding dimension in B is 2. Okay, Abdullah. Okay, so it's 3 to 2.
3 to 2.
Okay, what's the value of y? Write the proportion, of course. 3 over 2 equal 3, which is the height, over the height here, which is y. And we don't know, there is no need to use any calculations. It's 2 meters. Okay, thank you, Abdullah. In question number 15, Faisal.
Yes.
Good. I want you to help me to find the surface area. And at first we will start with the dimension. The ratio of dimensions is 8 to 6. In 8 to 6. In the simplest form, this ratio is, we should divide by 2. It will be,
Yeah, it would be 4 over 3.
good. What's the ratio of the surface area?
Yeah, so 4 over 3, and then equals, wait, can I just read the question?
Okay, the question is, what is the ratio of the surface areas? If the ratio of the heights, the dimensions is 4 to 3. This is the dimension. What's the ratio of the surface area? It should be the square of this. So,
Yeah, okay.
great. And now we will use 16 over 9 equal the given,
Equals,
yes, the given surface area and the required. Okay,
yeah, so then SA2, or like surface area 2, equals, equals 11 multiply, 1130 multiply 9
great.
over
Divide
16.
16, and I will give you the answer. It will be approximately 636.17 square inch. Okay, great work, Ahmed. Great work, Faisal. Thank you. Muhammad Ramadan.
Mr. Can I answer volume?
Who kicked you, Muhammad Ramadan? Muhammad Ramadan, use your mic. You can't use the mic. Okay. Guys, in the volume we have also the ratio. Okay, Muammal, are you here?
Yes.
So, the ratio of volumes. What's the ratio of volumes?
4 over 3 cube.
Great. And of course, we will use this ratio, which is 64 over 27, and the given volume to find the required volume. So, we will multiply 2513 by 27 and divide by 64. Okay. If you calculate this, the answer will be 1060.29 cubic inches. Guys, now before you go to the assignment, I want to tell you that this time the assignment is a bit challenging. Think deeply and don't just take anything by luck. Don't take it random, okay? Think deeply. The questions are not that easy. Thank you, guys. That's all for today. Goodbye.